Akuthethwa xa kutyiwayo, kuyatyiwa. Naba ke bazali bayatya kodwa ngaphandle nocakana uke utye, vula ipayi yakho utye nocakana. Nantsi ipain bazali bam, and ke andikwazi ukwenza ngakumbi. Wonke umntwana eklasini uyatya, andikwazi ukwenza ngakumbi. Ngoba ke yonke into yalapha eklasini uyikhutshelwe nina.
I know, guys, while we are dealing with Tisha, who was very cruel, ukuthi umntwana akakhokhanga imali kaphaya, because umama ngathi uphuza imali nabangani bakhe. Hayi singamiyeke guys umama. Akudilwe noThisha nomama. Akudilwe nabo bobabili guys. Awukwazi phela ukuthi ingane isikole sesikhipha communication ukuthi kune pie day. I'm sure this communication mhlawumbe ikhishwe 5 days ago. I'm saying this because nami, my child, ube ne pizza day last week. Bakhipha communication 2 weeks back. Or 70 rand be pizza day. I'm sure this communication iphumile ukuthi kuzoba ne pie day. Ungane ungayizameli imali kaphaya. Ungayisho kumashonisa. Because phela guys abantwana bethu labayana. Abantwana bethu, as much as isidila noThisha, yes uThisha was wrong. Ngiyamshaya kakhulu uThisha. Ngiyamsola for ubulwane, for kungabi nenimba ukuthi ezumzala khave. But what if uThisha akaqala ukukhava? Because abanye abantu guys, if you keep on covering them, they do not learn from their mistakes. I'm sure there are teachers really who have bought stationery for children. I'm sure there are teachers who have really bought uniform for the children. I'm sure there are teachers really who have bought food for the children. I'm sure in South Africa we do have teachers who bring lunch boxes for the children. But guess what? Parents never learn. Instead, those parents, they end up not being responsible at all, because kuyaziwa ukuthi Miss Xaba is going to buy stationery. Kuyaziwa ukuthi Miss Zondi is going to buy food. Kuyaziwa ukuthi Miss Mthembu is going to buy school shoes. Guys, as parents, we've got a responsibility to look after our children. Kuphume i-communication before their pie day. There is no school in South Africa engavele kuthiwa nje i-pie day without a communication. Sithini ngumama? Yes, uThisha kabanga na inimba. Mhlawumbe uThisha does not even have a child. Meaning, really, as thina sikhuluma semgxeka akananimba at all because akanamntwana. I'm being honest, guys la. But now ke umama womntwana, guys. And allegedly ubama womntwana kuthiwa uyaphuza utshwala. Lo msebenzi kaMandisa, it might happen ukuthi uyonikeza ijunkard ezoyishaya uqede wonke lo 30,000. Instead ukuthi mhlawumbe kube kuthengwe impahla zeingane, stationery, whatsoever. Because if you fail ukuba responsible, uthenge uphaya wengane 50 rand, how much more usuno 30,000? And wazi ukuthi uyaphuza nabangani, uhluleke ukuthi ube responsible ezumzali ingane. Guys, asingamiyeke umama wrong, ngiyamsola. Guys, mina nginabantwana abawu4. Uma ngabe kubheda ngiyaya kumashonisa for abantwana bami, because abantwana bami angifuni ukuthi ukuhluleka kwami bakubone kwabanye abantwana. Umama imuphi umzama wenzile ukuthi lengane ithola uphaya? Uthisha urongi guys sesimgxibhile. Uthisha vele usesiphambanweni already manje. Usengakwe sokunene sika Jesu. Trust me, uthisha uzongena esiphambanweni noJesu. Siqedile ngaye simbethele samqeda. But umama nangu umama esala phansi esiphambanweni akaphanyekwe naye because umama urongi guys. Uma ngabe umzali wenza sure ukuthi ingane yakho makuphuma ama communications ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi ingane izithole lezo zinto. Ngiyatshelwa mina ekhaya kuthiwa kune chess day, kune pizza day, kune soccer day, ngisende imali. I rather ngisafarishe but imali zibe zingakubhuti wami noma imali zibe zingakuma wami so that my children will be comfortable. Mina ke mangiqwayizeke ngibona ukuthi ngiyenze njani ke njengomfazi omdala but abantwana guys ababe covered umzali wenze njalo. So as much as blame uthisha uthatha ivideo but asikubonga ukuthi leyangane iexposekile ukuthi umzali wayo irresponsible. Ngiyamsola umama guys, umama ngiyamsola. Umuntu nomuntu guys akagade umntanakhe. Nondindwa guys akalale phezulu guys if you birthed it. If nje uyibhethile oyikakile akayiphiphe guys. Oyikakile akayiphiphe bazalwane. Umuntu nomuntu nje oyikakile theater akayiphiphe guys. Akayiphiphe. Mina ngiyamsola umama. Ngenkathi sidila nothisha but no mama guys asidile naye because othisha okusho ukuthi kule mali abavele batshela ukuthi ababe nebudget yokuthi abasiza abantwana omama bangekho responsible. Bavele banye once othisha akacace si South Africa sihlale phansi ukuthi teachers to the money that you any kokhelai that the government gives you, please budget 2,000 for those children with mothers aba irresponsible. Then kuzoba square up bazokwazi othisha ukuthi ke hayi ke kumele bondle izingane zethu ke sifuhluze thina sizale izingane singayithengeli stationery singathengeli iphaya singanjani because we know teachers are going to be responsible. Mina ukubona kwami guys ukuthi lo mama lo hayi guys akanganikezwa lo cash because uzowuphuza uqede if kuuthi thudakwa nabangani ingane akayinakeli ibivele ingathengelwa ngestationery. Le mali ayingayiyena direct because uzoyiphuza iqede lo mama.
Bafowethu kade ngibuka ivideo yalo mem lo wase Thembalethu Primary School eGeorge eWestern Cape. Yabona bafowethu masikhuluma ngebhadi, ibhadi into efana naleyana. Ibhadi livele lifike nje esikhaleni ungalindele likufice nje. And abantu beyibuza ukuthi lo muntu bengenelwe yini lo owenza into efana nalena. Ibhadi ke lelo. Malingakaze likuvelela ibhadi bafowethu. You can judge. Yes, ma'am, she was wrong. Yes, she was not supposed to do what she did. And yes, we have every right ukuthi simblame. Kodwa lo muntu loyana she was sober. And also lo muntu she's matured. Ngoba mangizwa kuthiwa she's around 40 years or 50 years. Umuntu okhulile hayi ngeke bafethu ayenze le nto leyana. Hayi bafethu yabona ibhadi I'm sure la khona bafowethu uyazisola. Allegedly kuthiwa lo mem lo ufike wakhokhisa ingane wayikhokhisa ama 5 rand. I'm not sure noma ama 5 rand noma ama 10 rand but it was a contribution ye-class. Emva kwalokho wase eyithengela ophaya no juice. Kwaba khona ingane engakhokhanga. And then le ngane engakhokhanga esikhundleni sokuthi ayixoxe wayihlalisa eklasini. West part wathatha ivideo. Le video akayipostanga ku social media but she posted it kwi WhatsApp group yabazali. Niyabazi ke abazali bafowethu abadlali nje. Yabo. Emva kwalokho ke bayiposta kuyasabalala ivideo. Yabona bafowethu le nto leyana hayi. I think nginonyawo lesithathu lapha yana. Yes, umemo wrong. She has to learn from her mistakes. Yes, ususpendiwe njengamanje. And yeah, mhlambe i-career yakhe phelile vele ngeke sabuyela kuyi-field because lo muntu, one of the pillars of an educator ukuba leader. She was supposed to be a leader and lead with an example. One, mayez ukuthi lengane was not supposed to be part yokuthi udliwe eklasini, bekumele ayikhiphe iye ngaphandle. Two, bengamele umem athatha ivideo yengane ayikhokhile ayi-expose because ingane encane le and inkosi yami akusiyo ayisebenzi umzali osebenzayo. Three, umem ubengasebenzisa istrategy sokuthi noma ke ayibiza ingane kudliwe nje unembeza mhlambe enayo lento yokuba ne-caring mentality, enayo lento yokuzwela, uyabo, ayibize kudliwe. Yabona the worst part ukushaya ivideo ingane exposing le ibe wrong. Angiphiki bafethu content is good or bad. Siyayenza nathi content singothisha. I-content sometimes right because iyakwazi ukuthi isize ingane ekutheni ifulfill italent elayo. Nje ngizobeka isibonelo njengonaledi, yabo, iyakwazi futhi ukuvulela ingane amathuba mayigudi kuleyo field leyo. But sometimes i-content iyabheda because ungenza i-content ezokugaxelisa, yabo, ugcina uxoshwa emsebenzini. And i-content kubalekile ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi before you do any content as a teacher, you ask for i-consent kubazali, you ask for i-permission kubazali. Uma umzali engavumi nengane yakhe, mina nje ezami ingane ngiyayinika ama-forms maqala unyazo yonika abazali. Umzali mayengavumi, it's not only about the content, also abakhona ama-activities, sport, whereby you are going to take pictures ey'ngane. Ma umzali engavumi, then yehlela ngezansi. So i-content sometimes can build us and also it can destroy.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangimaka usende message ebantwini base South Africa uthi yebo thisha la wephaya ube wrong vele ukuthi ashuthe umntwana amsende inkundleni yokuqhumana agcine umntwana saka trend ngale ndlela, but uthi asingamshiyi makwemntwana because naye ube wrong. Umntwana kho uyamzamela, umntwana kho kufanele vele communicate ukuthi kuyoba nepie day. There's no way bangavele abantwana badliwe emaphayi batali bangakatshelwa, batali they knew babathengela abantu abo amaphayi yena because kuthiwa uSidzakwa unatha tshwala nebangani bakhe akanandzaba naye vele lo mntwana, so akangashiwa lengezif yena kanaloqala kulendzaba. Uthi nalo 30,000 le bamdonatele yona apparently bantu abamatikodi are even saying ukuthi uyoshaya nje awubhubhuhle because vele uSidzakwa akekho responsible kwayena. So lokuthi nje bamdonatele lo mntwana ngabe bamane bamthengela mhlambe impahla, ma uniform, impahla zokugqoka, because uma hluleka kumthengela iphayi qabanga sekabambe 30,000. Uma khona kunatha mhlambe imali yegrants, imagine sekabambe 30k uyibhubhudla vele kube mcimbi ashaya iphathi. Bantu abaningi ndiyasenga ukuthi bavumelana naye lo make lo lakhulumako because she's not saying ukuthi mem ube right for what she did, wrong naye already so wrong lo mem, but kuthiwa nje mntali walo mntana akangashiwa naye she must be held accountable. What's your thoughts wena about lokuqedza ukukhulunywa ngilosisi? Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.